How to remove algae from ponds. Algae uses up necessary oxygen in pond, and can block the view of foliage or even live fish. Removing algae from ponds is fairly easy, but care must be taken not to use poisonous toxins. Chemicals are not the only method for cleaning this slimy green invader. Things you will need: Biorestoration 1 and 2, water filter, non-iodized salt, skimmer, ultrasonic device. Use a combination of liquid products called Biorestoration 1 and 2. This non-toxic duo rids ponds of all unwelcome growth, without harming fish. Pour Biorestoration 1 into the pond to stop the process of photosynthesis. All algae present in the pond will fall and die as the pond water turns a lilac color. Add Biorestoration 2 to the pond and watch the microorganisms and enzymes break down the algae. The application of the second product also clears away the lilac color and restores the natural blue of the pond water. Change the pond water regularly to inhibit nutrient production. If algae have nothing to feed on, they can't survive. A good filter works also, but not as well as changing the water. Add 1 pound of non-iodized salt to the pond every 12 hours up to 3 times. As the algae floats to the surface, it must be skimmed off. Place an ultrasonic device into the pond to safely kill algae. The vibrations break down algae cells, causing them to die without killing other plants or fish. Tips: warnings. Biorestoration 1 and 2 are also excellent preventative products. Regularly add them to your pond even if it is algae-free. Sun, warm water and pond nutrients rapidly multiply annoying algae. Try to keep these to a minimum. Never add harsh chemicals to pond water, especially if plant life and fish are evident. Always check the labels of products to make sure you are buying an item that is non-toxic and organic.